So you might be wondering, so that's a nice view in outskirts of honeybee farm here in Hatta area. Hello, so finally we are inside this Hatta honey. You can see a lot of varieties over here. There is some offer displayed, and normally these are the dresses we're gonna have to wear when you are inside.
Non, je vais. Moi, je trouve que maintenant, je suis. Mais j'ai quand même quelque chose que j'ai une boule. Comme si on avait fait deux, ça n'est pas 2 semaines. J'ai quand même jamais la date. Mais maintenant, moi, je ne serais pas tout mais ça, c'est l'endroit de la cicatrice. Ça met comme si on faisait un.
So once you buy the tickets, you have a nice sitting area over here. You can sit and relax, and before walking into the location, and you have to there is a plus benefit that they are going to try at least 6 types of honeys. So the tastes were awesome, and now we are here sitting in the waiting area because our next tour would operate at 2 p.m.
انطلاقا من جبال حتى الشاهقة وسهولها الخصبة ووديانها وسدودها العذبة، ننتج لكم وبكل فخر أفضل أنواع العسل الإماراتي الفاخر بالجودة العالية والقيمة الغذائية المتنوعة، حيث يقوم النحل بجمع الرحيق من أشجار السمر والسدر والقاف في المواسم الرحيقية لهذه الأشجار. يقوم فريق الإنتاج لدينا باستخراج البراويز الشمعية المملوءة بالعسل من الخلايا النحلية ذات المواصفات العالمية المتخصصة، ثم ينقل في سيارات جهزت لنقلها إلى استكشافية في حديقة النحل، حيث ستتعرفون عن قرب على عالمنا الخاص. اكتشفوا عالم النحل في حديقة النحل في حتى. في حديقة النحل سنستقبلكم بالترحيب. ثم ستتوجهون إلى موقع ارتداء ملابس النحل. وبعدها ستشاهدون أفلام وثائقية وتاريخية لعالم النحل. سنبدأ رحلتنا بالمرور على أنواع الأشجار التي يجمع منها النحل الرحيق كشجرة السدر وشجرة الصبر وشجرة الغاب. وبعدها ستشاهدون أنواع الخلايا القديمة والحديثة التي يركبها النحل كخلايا جذوع النخيل وخلايا الفطر والخلايا الخشبية والخلايا الطينية والخلايا الحجرية وخلايا القش والخلايا البلاستيكية. سيأخذكم خبير النحل إلى موقع النحل وستشاهدون الخلية من الداخل وستتعرفون على ملكة النحل وشغلة النحل وكيفية صيانة النحل بكل العيون الثلاثية للعسل وحبوب اللقاح. لا تنسوا التقاط الصور الذكرية بجانب هاشتاج عسل حتى معا للحفاظ على النحل لأجل كوكبنا.
First time, guys. Let's see. But actually, there's a benefit from the bee venom listing, and later on, I will tell you the benefit of the bee venom. Maybe after this, maybe I would have some volunteers, right, guys? I would have some volunteers later, right, boys? So the first part of the tour is the different types of trees. So the trees, this is where the bee gets the pollen and the nectar of the flowers. Remember, if the honey is liquid, it's more nectar. When if the honey is solid or crystallized, it's more pollen. There's no added sugar if the honey becomes solid or becomes crystallized. Okay? So the first tree will be the gaff tree. So this is the gaff tree right here. You can close it if you want to, guys. So gaff, by the way, is a national tree of UAE. It is blossoming during June to July. And also gaff is the only tree that can survive in the desert. It can live up to 120 years. It has longer life than us. And also, gaff is our energy booster and fat burner honey. It's because gaff is rich in proteins and minerals. So if you want to have more energy and lose some weight, this is the perfect honey for you guys, okay? And the second tree will be the summer tree. So this is summer tree right here. So summer, I think called So summer is the most beneficial honey but the strongest taste. It's good for the heart, also for stomach problems like digestion, constipation, diarrhea. And lastly, the summer honey is good for those who have asthma also. Okay? And the third tree will be the cedar tree. So that tree right there, it is blossoming October to November, and cedar is the best seller honey because of the taste, also of the benefits. So benefits of cedar is good for sore throat, cough, and cold. It's also good for the bones. It's rich in iron, magnesium, and calcium. So after we extract the three trees, we have the fourth tree. It's called the wildflower, the multi-flower. So the rest of the trees you see here, they're part of the wildflower, the multi-flower. But the bees will only get nectar from the wildflower if there is rain, because a lot of trees are blossoming during the time. It's good for the immune system, rich in antioxidants, and rich in vitamin C. And we have two more trees. We have the mangrove tree. We have mangrove farm in Abu Dhabi and Al Khaimah. And we have oak tree. We have oak farm in Lebanon. Okay? So now you know where the pecan is from. Now let's go to the beehive. The beehive is the house or the home of the bees. We have two types of beehives. So by the way, all of the beehives are man-made. The taste of the honey will not matter from the beehive. The important part is the flowers of the trees. Okay, so the first beehive is the cave beehive, guys. The cave beehive can be found in the forest and in the mountain. And by the way, the reason bees can make beehive out of anywhere, as long as the flowers blossoming in your area, the bees can make a beehive out of there. The next beehive is the mud and the palm beehive. These two beehives are made in UAE. That's why it's called a Emirati beehive. Okay, and the next beehive is the beehive. This is the home of African bees. Are you from South Africa, guys? Yes. And by the way, this is from the house of the African bees. So African African bees are known as aggressive or wild bees. But we have Egyptian bees and Omani bees here, so nothing to worry about. Yes. And last one is the Al-Jabu beehive. The Al-Jabu beehive is made in Saudi Arabia and is used in UAE and Oman as well. Okay. So after the beehive is called the mother or the beehive. Eventually all parts of the country, this is what they're using. And next one is the polyceramic. However, it is made of styrofoam and it's easily broken. That's the reason why our company made the Hatta beehive. The Hatta beehive, guys. So the Hatta beehive is made of plastic, so it is easy to clean. Also, it is easy to wear it. So everyone take a look at the beehive. You observe the colors. It's light colors like what we're wearing, right? It's because bees are attracted to light colors. So we treat you guys in a good way. They won't think of you as big flowers once they will see you. Okay? That's why we tell all of the guests when we're getting fast movements, move like a flower. Okay? And also they have higher eye vision compared to us humans. So can you guess how many eyes that we have? And guess, don't worry, I will not let the bee sing if you have the wrong answer.
How many eyes?
100. How about the rest? 8?
8. Huh? How many eyes? B?
Any more guesses?
1,000.
1?
1,000 plus.
1,000 plus? That's it? 8? Actually, the bees, they actually have 5 eyes.
5.
Yeah, so that's in the front and 1 on each side. So nothing to be afraid of, right, guys? Only 5 eyes. Okay? Nothing to worry about. Now let's go to the bee colony and meet your new friends. So come this way, everyone.
5 eyes.
Everyone, before we will go there, who wants to, if you want a picture of how Hatta colony, can you have your phone, please?
Come on.
In Europe, they developed a special net where they put electricity and the bee can fly through the net, but the wasp cannot. So when it touches the electricity, the net, they die.
Compared to before, like previous months, we're not too much compared to before.
But in Europe, it starts to become a real issue because there's wasps, Asian wasps. They are
Really big problem.
They are killing the business.
Yes, wasps and hornets are their enemies. So come here, everyone. So do me a favor, guys, and put the frames closer to each other. So move this one over here. Come here. Help each other, guys. Careful with that one over there. Okay, there you go. And now do me and then lastly, close the beehive for me. Come here, kids. Do this one, put the cloth and then the cover. Do the piece sleep? Actually, they once they close or once it's dark, actually they cannot do anything once it's dark. Okay. Yes, that's why that's like their time for them to rest or like that's when also that's the reason why we don't have a tour during the night time. Okay. Yes. And then close the beehive for me. Is that heavy? Yes. So by the way, guys, the maximum amount of they can only fly away from the beehive is only 4 until 6 kilometers. If they will fly more than that, there's a big chance they will get lost and they will die. So only 4 until 6 kilometers. And also, once the bee will sting you, they will die right away. It's because the stinger is part of their body. But if you want the bee to live, what you have to do is you have to relax and stay still and be calm and wait for the bee to pull out the stinger by itself. Oh. So can I do it, guys? Can you relax when the bee will sting you? No. Sample, kids. Let's do it. As I've told you a while ago, benefit of the bee venom, it can cure body pains and joint pains. So kids, any body pains? This is a perfect time. You have your body is sore? Anything is paining in your body? No? Okay, so everyone, thank you so much for listening. If you have any questions, guys? No? So now we can go back inside and we can try the bee vomit. Yay!
No.
But if you want to stay and take more pictures, no problem. I'll be inside, okay, to let you try the honey. But just don't open the beehive if you want to take a picture here. If you want to stay and have more picture, no problem. But just don't open the beehive. Okay? You want to stay and take more pictures? No problem. You can take. Yeah, I'll be there inside, guys. Yeah. Let's try the honey. If you want to try the honey.
Chalo.
Come. Yeah, you tried the honey a while ago, right? You try it again?
Anyway, so you might be wondering, so that's a nice view in outskirts of honeybee farm here in Hatta area. What a nice and peaceful environment.
Everyone, one moment. This one is the male bee right here. This one. This one. You see the difference now?
The big one?
Yeah, the big one. And it's bigger. It has a rounder stomach. This one over here.